When you're a student, you have to read lots of documents, and usually they have a white background and often small, squashed together text like this, or like this, or like this. With TextAid, you can make the text much easier to read. So here's one of the documents. I can hide the other pages of this PDF. I can also hide the name labels so that you can see more of the document. And I can use text mode to change the way it looks. Now these are the same words, but now we have a different background color and the font is different as well, and it's much easier to read. You can choose from a variety of background colors and spacing and font size and style, so it's much easier for you to read. You can use the screen ruler or page mask so that you can focus on one line at a time as you're reading as well. So that's how you can make your text easier to read using ReadSpeaker TextAid.